How to fix Facebook Messenger video call or audio call problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps. So scroll until you find Messenger and click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to this storage right here. You need to wait a few seconds and after that click on clear cache like this. Go back and then click on the power usage details. Disable this option here. Go back and then click on permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the call permission or the phone permission. And the last thing you want to do is click on the notifications management. Make sure that everything is enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe.